Hello everyone. So I'm going to start the lab 78, implementing the DOS attack on the router by using the slow Loris script. So slow Loris script opens and maintains the numerous half HTTP connections until the server runs out of resources. It's leading to, basically, you can see it's a DOS attack on the router level, right? So for this we are just going to use the slow Loris script, right? So being ethical hacker and pen tester, you can use the slow Loris script to audit your network against DOS attack. When a successful DOS is detected, the script stops the attack and return the pieces of information, which may be useful to tweak further filtering rules. So our lab objective is very simple: to show you perform DOS on the network. In this case, you can see HTTP flooding. So about slow Loris script opens into two connections to the server, and each without the final CRLF. After 10 seconds, connection sends additional header. Both connection then wait for the server timeout. If second connection gets a timeout 10 or more seconds after the first one, so we can conclude that the sending additional header prolonged a timeout and that the server is vulnerable for slow Loris DOS attack. A linkly vulnerable result means the server is subjected to timeout extension attack, but depending on the HTTP server's architecture and obviously the resources limit. A full DOS attack is not always possible. Complete testing requires triggering actual DOS condition and measuring server responsiveness. So now here we are going to launch Kali Linux. Here we go. Then our first work is to launch the console, and in the console we are going to launch Wireshark. Here we go. Then we can start in the interface. Here we go. Then click on desktop on my computer. Then go to menu bar, location. Then we'll type here smb:// the IP address of the Windows machine. So we are taking the remote machine as IP address 192.168.1.6. Pressing enter. Here we go. You can see here. So you got the SME database of that particular machine. Then you can check the users, public. Here we go, the slow Loris.pl. This is the script we have, right? So we can copy this and then paste to the desktop. There we go. Then we can launch a new command line. can type here cd desktop. So we should use the caps D. Here we go. Then obviously we'll go with the ch mode. It is the set the full permissions to slowletters.pl file by using ch mode. So ch mode 777 space slow loris.pl, small one. Right, then you can press enter here. Here we go. Then obviously go with list ls. We got the script here. The next is to perform the DOS attack on your router having IP by running the command / slow loris.pl space -dns and the IP address of the machine. You can see the target router as we have given first also. So 1.6 we have. Then pressing enter, built-in sockets. Then we can check the detail, what kind of sockets we built. Here we go. You can see here the TCP packets. Now we open the browser in Kali. I'll give the IP address of the machine. Is connecting to. You can see here it's not accessible. And to stop the DOS attack, we can terminate the command. Now we are going to check again. As this machine is redirected with the router, this machine is sending the request because this is not the IP address of the router. So we can check the detail on the router's IP. You can see the host IP. Here we go. Then it's all about, right? So when we stopped the DOS attack on the particular machine which is in intranet and directly collected with the host IP, then it is working. Otherwise it's not possible for you to get the authentication process of the router. This is all about the DOS attack by using a machine in the intranet. This is DOS attack on the router by using a machine in intranet we have used, because 1.6 is IP address of the machine which we have in intranet is directly connected with the router. So here we go, you can see here now, otherwise not possible for you. In case you are just starting the, again the capture is like the DOS attack again, in case you are just going to use, so it will not work, right? So this is all about, as you can see here also, it's asking for try again, right? So here we have finished your lab 78, implementing the DOS attack on the router by using Sloloris script. So this is all time saying you guys can go with this script and you can do the DOS attack on the particular router in the network, right? So here we have finished your lab 78. Thank you.